We are here in our brand new beautiful bathroom. So before we had a non-working shower and just a regular toilet and sink, and it just seemed so small, and now it just seems so big. We have a bench here. We got this actual addition and we decided to remodel for my mom. She is elderly, so we got the safety bars in here. And we also have, what I love is the wood tiles down here at the bottom that have the grout in there. So having the small tiles allows it to be non-slippery and is really safe for her. And yeah, we just
have the shampoo shelves.
The shampoo shelves, and we put our soaps there, and it's just, it really is amazing.
Perfect, I like it too. It looks really cool. Let me show you from close up to see this accent tile. It's so unique. It looks like wood, but it's tile. And here is the step. And the floor, it's a vinyl floor. And I'm moving backwards to show you the whole floor with the floor here too. It's really nice. It's really nice bathroom. Oh, and I didn't show the vanity and the cabinets.
Vanity and cabinets, and just working with David and Horizon, the entire crew has been just a great experience. It was quick, easy, and we're just really happy.